Hello friends, welcome to my channel where you get a job and internship opportunities and you can get on the daily updates by subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, I have brought you a full stack developer job which is provided by Physics Wala and the location will be Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This job posting is of 2 hours ago and you can click and apply. The link will be in the description and you can apply as soon as possible to get listed on the top few who are applying this for the job. So talking about the job role, it is a full stack developer job which will be focusing on backend and Node.js. Minimum 1 year they are asking the experience, or fresher also can apply with a internship role done previously. Location I have told is Noida and it is a full-time job. So in job summary they are telling that it is a full stack developer role that will be primarily focusing on backend development using Node.js. And the ideal candidate should have at least 1 year hands-on experience. So add as many projects in your resume as you can and focus on the Node.js and also write in summary of your resume that you are a Node.js developer so that the attraction can be made towards your resume and the shortlisting chances can be high. So key responsibilities will be designing and developing backend services of Node.js, creating and integrating APIs and managing server-side logic buildings. And performance of application, you will be responsible for ensuring it, and if any troubleshoot is there, you have to debug it and tell to your manager or discuss it with them and solve that accordingly. Participate in code reviews and contribute to continuous improvements. So you will be participating here to improve the overall backend of the development. I think it is of their app also and the backend of their app because they are live streaming, providing courses on their app. So for that, you will be responsible to having any issues if there is a going on in the live class, comments are not visible. That the things that can be considered throughout your job role. And you should have a good experience in React.js or AngularJS. Understanding of RESTful APIs, designing and best practices is there, and ensuring a full stack application development and deployment. So yeah, and here it is about the company and you can read it. And for applying, I would suggest that to reach out to Anupriya Chaudhary, which is hiring for this job role, and send a direct email getting their email ID, and the email ID will be there on their profile, and you can go on her profile and apply through here also and send a email for this job role to here also. I will give a demo mail so that you can see how can you write a mail for applying and reaching out to her. Another opportunity I have brought you of a graduate engineer trainee that is provided by Cone. So here Cone is hiring at location Hyderabad for graduate engineer training, and it will be a full-time job. Job posted is of 2 days ago, and here is the job ID. You can search using this job ID on my workdays. You can create a ID on myworkdayjobs.com and you can search this job through this ID, or I will give link in comment or in description. So they are asking a CSC engineer, which is a product and technical expertise having, and your understanding of customer needs and translate into products specific requirements. And he or she takes part in non-standard solution, countering with expertise on Cone products like escalators and AutoWorks machine roomless elevators, high rises, regenerators. So here are the things that are mentioned that you will be taking part on in them. So what is the eligibility of this role? Talking about the eligibility, they are asking a bachelor's degree in mechanical, electrical or mechatronics engineering. So it is good for these 3 branches students. And if you have done your bachelor's in these 3 fields, you can apply here. Good knowledge of environmental and sustainability requirements. So they are asking of the environmental studies also, that you should have knowledge about these also. Good CAD and BIM skills is also needed. Basic knowledge of competitors product. So what other companies are also providing like this AutoWorks escalators? You should also know about their competitors who are in the market and playing in the same domain. Good understanding of how a product total costing is built up. Okay, so here are the about the products and what is this job about and what you will be doing. So you will be collaborating with sales teams. Product planning, costing requirements will be needed, which you will be providing. How the product will be costing and what will be the maintenance and other stuffs. And after that, product planning is also in the job description, that you will be doing product planning, availability and lead teams. So it is a customer delivery role that you will be providing the needs of the customer according to the products they are seeking. And you can apply here. I have provided link in the description and you can just simply go and autofill with resume or apply manually. So these are the two jobs that I have brought to today. One is of graduate engineer training and one is of full stack developer that Physics Wala is hiring. I recommend you to check out my more videos on my channel and do apply on the other videos that I have made. And yesterday I have uploaded a video of Tesla which is hiring for India and it is for front-end software engineer also. You can also see the video and apply and check the apply process also, how you can grab the job roles. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends who are seeking opportunity in full stack developer role and those who have done their mechanical and electronical engineering can apply for graduate engineer trainee role here. Till then, take care and have a good day.